Boys and girls, ladies and germs, I have my Sportsman 1000 generator back from Buffalo Tools. For those of you that don't know the story behind this, I bought a Sportsman 1000 generator about a year ago, and I put about 750 hours on it. It was blowing smoke, it kept stalling out, basically it became worthless to me. I had 1 week of my warranty left, and I contacted Buffalo Tools, and they made it, and they said, send it in, we'll check it out, and we'll let you know what we're gonna do. Well, it took about a month, but I did send this back. I finally got this box back a few days ago, and I'm about to find out exactly what they sent me. Now, there are 3 scenarios. First one, they could have taken my generator, repaired it, put it back in a new box, and sent it to me. Second, they could have sent me a refurb, which would be someone else's return that they fixed up, and that's probably what they did because that's the cheapest option. The third option is they could have sent me a brand new generator. Now this box looks brand new. It looks like it's fresh off the shelf, but that doesn't mean what's inside is not brand new and fresh off the shelf. So place your bets because we're about to find out. HOBOTECH. All right, here we go, opening the Sportsman generator. Well, looky what we have here. It looks like a brand new box. Let's take this thing out and check it out. This is brand new. This smells brand new, like brand new appliances. And that's definitely brand new tape there. So there we go. It looks pretty close to the same one. I don't remember the sticker being on the other one, but it does say sine wave. I guess they're letting you know it's a sine wave. And it's also carb approved. Oh, what's this? Let me zoom in on this. It says on the box that it has a 2-year warranty now. The old one only had a 1-year warranty, so I have to wonder if this is maybe a revision, a new model. Now here's something else. This says oil capacity 7.5 ounces. The old one said 10 ounces, which was way too much and caused smoking, so they updated the box too. Oh yeah, guys, this is definitely brand new. I mean, it reeks of a brand new generator. Okay, so we got the manual here. Now this says 1-year limited warranty, so this says 2 years on the box and 1 year here. I wonder which one it is. I'm gonna have to look that up. But yeah, this is the same manual I had before. So just like the other one, I got the 12-volt plug with alligator clips, spark plug wrench, screwdriver. That's all in this bag. That means I have 2 of all these now. Oh, yep. Ready for the moment of truth? Oh yeah. Now there we go. They actually include a tag now that says do not overfill 7.5 ounces. And it says over here 7.5 ounces. So they make absolutely sure that you know, don't put more than 7.5 ounces in. Now this is also different. Mine didn't have this sticker on it that said choke lever position. Infamous, wow, that's really hard to squeeze. The infamous pump bulb, which I hate. Now the rest of this thing looks pretty much normal. It's got all the same features, the circuit breaker, 12 volt. Yeah, it's all about the same. Okay guys, so here we have it. Buffalo Tools sent me a brand new Sportsman 1000 generator. Now, I originally paid like 169 bucks for mine. I didn't wait for the 149 sale. I got mine for, I think it was for 169, which is, for a generator I got a full year's worth of use out of. That's a really good deal. And to have them send me a brand new, and I mean, this is brand new, generator, when I only had 1 week of my warranty left, is just amazing. Major kudos to Buffalo Tools for their excellent service. It did take me a little while to go back and forth with the shipping because I didn't have a box at the time for them to send it to, and general delivery was problematic at the post office. So I had to get a rental box so that I could do business, and then I was able to tell them to go ahead and ship it there, and I got it no problem. It took them about 2 weeks after I got all the shipping fiasco figured out. So there you have it. Leave comments below on what you think was going to happen when I opened that box. I'm curious to see how many of you thought I was going to get my old one fixed, or I was going to get a refurb, or the amazing, I got another one. Now, I originally planned to give away my return generator, but I totally assumed that they were going to send me either my old greasy generator back, or they were going to send me a refurb that would have had some defects. Now, I don't need this generator. I don't have the room for it. Heidi doesn't need it either. And I really don't feel like putting it in storage. But what I will do is, for HOBOTECH viewers, I'm going to sell this for half of what you can buy at Home Depot. Right now, these go for about 200 bucks, and I don't really see any sales on them recently. So I'm going to sell this on my store instead at hobotech.tv/shop for 100 bucks plus shipping. I'll just charge a flat $25 to ship it anywhere in the lower 48. Now, obviously, I'm not going to ship this overseas or in Canada or Mexico. This is only available to those in the lower 48. Just go to the link below, hobotech.tv/shop. If you want to pick up this generator, just buy it right there with PayPal or credit card, which is all safe through the PayPal system. I don't ever get any of your personal information. I don't see your credit card numbers or anything. It goes all through PayPal. They handle all that. All I do is they send me the address and how much was paid, and I ship it. That's all I do. So if you're interested in getting this, whoever buys it first gets it. There's only one for sale. So go there now if you're interested, snag it up, and I'll ship it to you as soon as I can. Now, I am going to have some giveaways in the near future. I do have at least one Jackery product I'm going to give away, and there's going to be a few other giveaways in the near future. So I will make up for not giving this away by doing some giveaways in the near future. That's it for now. Till next time.
Odin commands you to like and subscribe, and clean my litter box.
So, Pickle Rick, what do you think about Buffalo Tools sending me a brand new Sportsman generator?
I turned myself into a pickle!
I mean, it's in your color.
I'm Pickle Rick!
Hey, thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, be sure to subscribe, share, and like. And we'll see you guys next time. Say hi, Odin.
Randall Fear 9 Army Golf Guy Joe Lazaro hat.